Hi, I'm Jason Volk with ECHO Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install a YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, part number 90153Y, into a 260L backpack blower. The 90153Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit includes a new fuel filter, spark plug, and air filter. Before we get started, we will need some safety glasses while we're actually performing the work, a 19mm spark plug wrench to replace the spark plug, and then also a piece of wire to be able to reach into the fuel tank and pull out the fuel filter. With our safety glasses on, we're going to go ahead and slide the ignition switch into the stop position. We also want to take our choke lever and move that into the cold start position. What that will do is block the throat of the carburetor, preventing dirt from possibly falling into the engine. Also, since we will be replacing the fuel filter, we want to go ahead and make sure the fuel tank's been drained, and also for additional safety, pull off the spark plug boot. In order to replace the air filter, we're going to turn the air filter cover knob counterclockwise. Once that's loose, we'll be able to remove the air filter cover and pull out the air filter. With the new air filter from the YouCan maintenance kit, we'll go ahead and put that into the air filter case. Take the air filter cover and secure by turning the knob clockwise until it's tight. In order to replace the fuel filter, we're going to go ahead and loosen the gas cap. Go ahead and remove it from the tank. You just pull out the retainer like that. We're going to take our piece of wire, we're going to reach down into the fuel tank, grab that fuel line, and pull the fuel filter out through the opening. Do note there is a clip here that actually helps retain the fuel line onto the fuel filter. So we're going to hold that, we're going to disconnect the old filter, take the new filter from the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, slide it onto the fuel line. Again, making sure that clip is in place. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall the fuel filter into the tank. And go ahead and reinstall your gas cap. In order to replace the spark plug, we'll use our 19mm spark plug wrench. Go ahead and thread that spark plug counterclockwise. Then once it's loose, you can go ahead and use your fingertips to unthread it by hand. The replacement spark plug in the YouCan maintenance kit goes in first just by hand, just until we ensure that the threads are aligned in the engine. And then we'll go ahead and come back with our 19mm spark plug wrench and securely fasten it to the engine. I'm going to turn it until it's snug, and then a little bit more until it's nice and tight. And then we can go ahead and reconnect our spark plug boot, ensuring you feel it click onto the top of the spark plug. This concludes the installation of our 90153Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit into our PB260L series blower. However, this kit does fit many other models, so be sure to check the back of the packaging to make sure it fits your specific unit. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to check back for additional videos.